the discussion.
But you said it, sir. So
exactly what I said was African Americans call each other niggas.
Sir, so why say it, sir?
Because there's nothing wrong with saying it. What's wrong with saying nigga? I can say nigga, sir. Nigga. There's nothing wrong with saying the word.
You're being anomalous, sir. You're not supposed to say it. You're oh my god.
I am not. So when an African American calls another African American nigga, they say, "What's up, nigga?" and they say, "Hey, what's up, nigga? What's up, dog?" All right, there's nothing wrong with that. All right. Now, as for me saying the actual word, I am surprised that you would find it offensive. Maybe you have, what do you have? You have white supremacist tendencies or something. So if I say nigga, I don't say it as in a derogatory way. I say it in an academic way. I certainly wouldn't call you guys niggas, or call any of you like Yuri. What's up, nigga? I mean, that's not something I would say. All right, nor should I. Right, nor should Yuri call. I don't know who does Yuri talk to here. Joseph, nigga, and Joseph will call Yuri nigga, and that will be really strange. And I actually spoke about this to my international section, which actually have African Americans. All right, so and they seem to have a very balanced viewpoint about it. They can't handle this nigga. Sorry, guys, I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing with you. All right, but geez, so sensitive. African Americans, stop using nigga because you are bringing back memories of racial segregation and demeaning your people. Yeah, tell niggas that.
I'm not even going to bother anymore, honestly.
Instead of saying, Joseph, what's up, nigga, I would say, hey, Joseph, what's up, baby girl? Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out. Bye, baby girls.
Bye, sir. Thank you, guys.